pretty good. You all can hear me? All right, sweet. Welcome to Broadway on Broadway. We have quite a lineup of people here to perform for you for this evening. I believe you all should have gotten the programs. If not, I'm sure you can look off of other people near you. On the top it says, my name, of course, Ken Tooth, and Ryman Marr as our MCs. Ryman Marr had to take care of an emergency. He will be along shortly. Until then, you are unfortunately stuck with me for the foreseeable future. And without further ado, let's just get moving. To start us off, we have an act from Robert Robison. George Stewart, the famous artist, sings about the mental hardships of trying to balance life. He has to balance his passion for painting and artistry with his love for his partner, Dot. Please enjoy Finishing the Hat, as performed by Robert Robison with Tim Hale accompanying.
Say to yourself, well, I give what I give, but the woman that you I am not Kent. The next piece has a little bit of an introduction here. After Washington steps down from the presidency in the U.S., King George is thoroughly confused. How could one simply give up power and step away? He sings of his confusion and elation as the successor to Washington becomes real to him, and he berates the successor to the piece. Please enjoy I Know Him, as performed by the King himself. I was certainly not Kent, but I'm definitely not the King. This song comes from the Sondheim Musical Company, and it is a young man named Robert, in his 30s, so pretend a bit, it's theater after all, who is having trouble entering into relationships, and he receives some encouragement from the folks in the class, or in the cast, and ends up singing this. Somebody hold me too close. Somebody hurt me too deep. Somebody sit in my chair and ruin my sleep and make me aware of being alive, being alive. Somebody need me too much. Somebody know me too well. Somebody pull me up short. put me through hell and give me support for being alive, being alive. Make me alive, make me confused and mock me with praise. Let me be used, vary my days. But alone is alone, not alive. Somebody crowd me with love. Somebody force me to care. Somebody make me come through. I'll always be there, as frightened as you, to help us survive. Being alive, being alive, being alive.
So on top of being a pretty good English professor, he can sing really well, can't he? Sorry, that's a slight bit of my post English 110 fervor left over. I still would like him to give me a good grade in that class. Up next, we have a piece from Anastasia. Our titular character, Anastasia, reflects on her longing for a better life and the hope that dreams will lead her to a brighter future. In My Dreams, performed by Tori Vavrovsky, captures her desire to escape her troubled past and find a sense of freedom, belonging, and purpose. So please join me in welcoming Tori Vavrovsky with Solely Lee Clark accompanying her.
Tracks all around, eating
Yes, okay. Next in our order, we have a piece from Be More Chill. After being ignored by his childhood best friend, Michael locks himself in the bathroom during a Halloween party. And then, as I'm sure we've all done before, Michael sings in the bathtub, lamenting his pain of betrayal and longing for his friend. His fear of being left behind and as a cry to be seen will be heard in Michael in the Bathroom, as performed by Edras Alvarado Chavez.
Stay right here or disappear, and nobody even notice at all. I'm a creeper in the bathroom, cause my buddy kinda left me alone. I'd rather fake pee than stand awkwardly or pretend to check the text on my phone. Everything felt fine when I was half of a pair. There's no other half there. Now I'm just Michael in the bathroom, Michael in the bathroom at a party. Forget how long it's been. I'm just Michael in the bathroom, Michael in the bathroom at a party. No, you can't come in. I'm waiting it out till it's time to leave. And picking at your up as I suddenly breathe. I'm just Michael, but you don't know. Michael flying solo, Michael in the bathroom by himself, all by himself. I'm hiding while he's out there, just ignoring all our history. Memories get erased and I'll get replaced with a newer, cooler version of me. And I hear a drunk girl sing along to Whitney through the door. I wanna dance with somebody and my feelings sink, cause it makes me think now there's no one to make fun of drunk girls with anymore. Now it's just Michael in the bathroom, Michael in the bathroom at a bar. I half regret the beers. Michael in the bathroom, Michael in the bathroom at a party. As I choke back the tears, I'll wait as long as I need till my face is dry, or I'll just blame it on weed or something in my eye. I'm just Michael, but you don't know. Michael flying solo, Michael in the bathroom by himself. Knock, 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 knock. They're gonna start to shout soon. Knock, 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 knock. Oh hell yeah, I'll be out soon. Knock, 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 knock. It sucks you left me here alone. Knock, 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 knock. Here in this teenage battle zone. Clang, 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 clang. I feel the pressure blow when I bang, 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 bang. My big mistake will show when I flash, 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 flash. I throw some water in my face and I am in a better place. I go to open up the door, but I can't hear knocking anymore. And I can't help but yearn for a different time. And I look in the mirror and the present is clearer, and there's no denying I'm just at a party. Is there a sadder sight than Michael in the bathroom at a party? This is a heinous night. I wish I stayed at home in bed watching cable porn. I wish I off myself instead, wish I was never born. Oh, just Michael was a loner, so he must be a stoner. God, he's such a loser, rides a pity cruiser. Michael flying solo, who you think I'm so glad I came.
What he's going to hate me for mentioning is that Edros also had a vocal recital not 4 hours ago. So that's a lot of singing for one guy. Can we give him another round of applause? Up next, we have a piece from Jagged Little Pill. It's about a seemingly perfect family who were forced to deal with their pains and heal both separately and together. This piece is sung by Nick, the son of the family, who has just gotten into Harvard. He reflects on the pressure his parents have placed on him to succeed and laments his situation. Please enjoy Perfect, as performed by V. Vevrosky with Solly Lee Clark accompanying.
Just the way you are. If you're perfect.
So has this other guy been pretending to be me the whole time? I don't know. Thank you guys for rolling with the punches and allowing me and big thanks to Kent for taking over some positions as I had something happen earlier. But now that we're here, we can have Becca Nielsen and Camille Prentice. On another serious note, this is a piece about identity and longing, questioning who one truly is. In this serious piece, two characters, Gary and Walter, question just that. Who are they? Please enjoy this extremely serious piece, Man or a Muppet, by Becca Nielsen and Camille Prentice. How absolutely serious, but absolutely beautiful. A Million Dreams is a song you've all probably heard in one respect or another. It's about following your heart, chasing your dreams, and being true to yourself. Please join me into this world of dreams as performed by Highland Harmonizers, with Tim Pale accompanying.
So that is our student-led, I say again, student-led a cappella group, led by Becca Nielsen, who is already incredibly busy, and then coordinating with a bunch of other incredibly busy students. Can we get another round of applause for that group? Following the United States' independence from Britain, King George finds himself pondering the situation. He becomes irritated at the United States, trying to play off that he doesn't really care that they've gone away, and has a simple question for them. Please enjoy What Comes Next as performed by... no. The king himself again.
Give it up for the king, again. Little Shop of Horrors features many, as you can probably guess, horrors and villains. The earlier parts of the musical portray a human, yet still horribly outlandish being in the form of a dentist. Who am I to judge? Please enjoy Dentist as performed by a trio of Abby Zayas, Emma Heiser, and Hannah McGee, with Tim Pale accompanying.
I find a pussycat and bash in its head. I twin my
And how about now for a song that pulls at your heartstrings instead of your molars? Get ready for a song where love blossoms in the most unlikely of circumstances, singing Suddenly Seymour. Here is Colin Crichton and Hannah McGee.
That was good. That was really good. Okay. Next, yes. Next. During the last days of his life, a man sits in a garden begging for his life from his Father. This man is Jesus Christ, and he has just left the Last Supper. He ultimately accepts his fate and resolves to finish his life as the scriptures foretold. Please enjoy Gethsemane, as performed by computer science professor Logan Mayfield, with Tim Pale accompanying.
I only want to
The good ones, they haven't stopped coming. Not that they, didn't start before. They started throughout. We're just kind of keeping going. How much farther do we have to go? Oh, we're all right. Plenty more to go. Up next, we find Eliza heartbroken, having just learned of her husband's affair. Hamilton was having an affair with another woman and published letters about it, and he is now in dire straits. as is Eliza. This is where the piece Burn begins, as portrayed by River Neville, with Tim Hale accompanying.
Our main character, Marvin, lays in bed next to his lover, Wizard. Marvin has just recently divorced his wife to be with Wizard, but being gay in the 1960s is still a brave decision. While trying to keep his family together and stay with his love, Marvin lies in bed and sings of his love and affection for Wizard, and tries to capture his feelings and fears in a heartfelt ballad. Please enjoy What More Can I Say, as performed by Emerald Stark.
so very sweet, and I'm not usually indiscreet. But when he sparkles, the earth begins to sway. What more can I say? How can I express how confused am I by our happiness? I can't eat breakfast. I barely tie my shoes. What more can I do? If I say I love him, you might think my words empty. Let's just say my eyes roll away. It's been hot, also it's been slow. More than not, it's been what the words can tell. I helped experiment. I seem wrong to let. What more can I say? I'll stay calm untie my tongue and try to stay both time. And then I was taught never brag or shout. Still it's hot, just like how you breathe out. And also carry another to unfold. What more can I do? That's the simple truth. What more can I say?
In continuing in our theme of supporting our peers and siblings in the LGBTQ+ community, our next piece is from the prom. Dee Dee Allen is an actress falling out of public favor and wants to return to the spotlight. She learns about a girl named Emma, a lesbian, being harassed for asking a girl to prom. Dee Dee goes to Emma's school board meeting to make a fuss, stand up for Emma, and hopefully maybe get her spotlight back. Please enjoy her entrance to the school board meeting in Not About Me, as performed by Ray Shaw.
King George is just about fed up with these filthy Americans. He screams across the sea, demanding that they come back and serve him. Yet again, to no avail. Please enjoy You'll Be Back, as performed by the King. Again!
No, I'm me.
Is this for real? I'm looking in a mirror.
You can't be king, I'm king.
Oh, I'm king.
No.
How do we figure this out? Who is who?
Contest, yes. I was here to sing. Were you also?
Of course.
Then you know the piece.
Of course.
Accompanist, G major.
You say the price of my love, not the price that you're willing to pay.
You cry, you'll take what you heard in the sea when you see me go by. Why so sad?
Remember we made an arrangement when you went away. Now you're making me mad. Remember despite our estrangement, I'm your man.
You will be back, soon you'll see. You'll remember you belong to me. You'll be back.
Time will tell. You'll remember that I served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And when push comes to shove, I will
Send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love.
You say our love is draining and you can't go on. You'll be the one complaining when I am gone.
And now don't change the subject, 'cause you're my favorite subject, my sweet, submissive subject, my loyal, royal subject,
Forever
and ever.
and ever and ever and ever.
You'll be back like before. I will fight the fight and win the war for your love, for your praise, and I'll love you till my dying days.
When you're gone, I'll go mad. So throw away this thing we had. 'Cause when push comes to shove, I will kill your friends and family.
Lady lab assistant, interested in working under him. Woo! In Britain, never. Too American, strange. Please enjoy Roll in the Hay, as performed by Lily Benny and Rylan Bond, with Tim Pear accompanying again.
What do you say, Doctor? Am I hired?
I don't know. I'll have to think about it. By the way, how are we getting to Castle?
Oh, wie Stropher Schlagen, Wagen, Suchen, Brutschen.
What's that?
Oh, hey, your troubles away. Then life is awful, just jump on a straw and roll in the hay. Roll in the hay. Roll to its whole day. Then spirits are sagging, just jump in a wagon and roll in the hay. Oh, I'm very nice to get you, Doctor. I hope you won't hold it against me.
Oh, I'll try not to.
It's those horses on foot again. I will have lots of fun. Nothing's better than a hayride underneath the sun. Roll in the hay. Sometimes love finds thing. You can steal a kiss from an unwitting kiss. Who's not too resistant to play. So, Doctor, have you stopped so many days you refuse me?
2, and I'm working on a third.
Oh, good! Does that mean I'm hired?
Well, a very large part of me is pointing in that direction. Up and down, and up and down, back up the path, and down the hill we'll go up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Let's go down and up for a gale that will have found the fall. Now is back to the
Please be safe going home.
You're